Hey Google, Mercury.
According to Wikipedia, Mercury is the first planet from the Sun and the smallest in the solar system. In English, it is named after the ancient Roman god Mercurius, god of commerce and communication, and the messenger of the gods. Mercury is classified as a terrestrial planet with roughly the same.
Mercury is a small planet.
On the website science.nasa.gov, they say Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and the nearest to the Sun.
No,
Mercury is only slightly larger than Earth's moon.
no.
It's the fastest planet,
Mercury is so
zipping
small.
around the Sun every 88 Earth days.
Mercury what is the name? Jupiter. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Venus.
Alright, Venus by Faceless, playing on YouTube Music.
Hey Google. Venus.
According to Wikipedia, Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is a terrestrial planet and is the closest in mass and size to its orbital neighbor Earth. Venus has by far the densest atmosphere of the terrestrial planets, composed mostly of carbon dioxide with a thick, global sulfuric acid cloud cover.
Hey Google. Earth. Hey Google. Earth planet.
According to Wikipedia, Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to our life.
Hey Google. Mars.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Hey Google. Mars.
According to Wikipedia, Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. The surface of Mars is orange red because it is covered in iron oxide dust, giving it the nickname the Red Planet. Mars is among the
Hey Google. Jupiter.
According to Wikipedia, Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system.
എൻ്റെ കൊച്ചുമ്പം പഠിക്കുന്ന രീതി ഉണ്ടാ
Hey
ഗൂഗിൾ
Google.
അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് അടുത്ത് ചോദിച്ചാണ് പഠിക്കുന്നത്. ഞങ്ങളും പഠിച്ച് എങ്ങനെ
Planet.
മാനത്ത് നോക്കിയും ബുക്കിൽ നോക്കിയും
According
പുതിയ
to
തലമുറ
Wikipedia, Mercury is the first